Hello everyone, welcome to Damdio channel. And this is Chan Thia. You guys can call me Thia. Today I'm very excited because this is my first YouTube video. And starting from today, I'm gonna make a tutorial series about how to make a mobile application, specifically chat application, using React Native for front end, Laravel for back end, and MySQL or MariaDB for database. In this series, we will see how to make a chat application from start to finish with best practice as much as I can show you. Actually, I'm planning to use this chat application as one feature inside my project. So please stay tuned. I will try to record and upload this series as fast as I can if I got more free time. So that's all for in this introduction video. We will continue with the next video. If you guys think that this series is gonna be helpful to you guys, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button if you don't want to miss the upcoming tutorial. Thank you.